Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the exact lock model and backing up enrolled fingerprints and admin codes. This prevents lockout later. Once backed up, power down the unit and remove the battery or unplug the door controller. Safety first. Next, ground yourself with an ESD strap and lay out the replacement fingerprint sensor, a small Phillips #0, and a Torx T6. Now open the trim carefully. You want access to the sensor mounting screws and the ribbon connector so you can proceed without forcing anything. Once inside, remove the sensor mount screws and lift the sensor from its bracket. Do this slowly so you don't tear the ribbon cable. Then depress the ribbon connector latch and slide the cable out. Inspect both connector and cable for bent pins, corrosion, or dust. Clean with compressed air if needed. Now align the new sensor, feed the ribbon straight into the connector, and lock it in place. Then tighten the mount screws just snug. Over-torquing can crack the housing, so proceed with care. After installing, reconnect power and boot the unit. Then re-enroll admin and user fingerprints, following manufacturer stroke and pressure guidance to improve read rates. Once enrolled, test several distinct fingers, angles, and pressures, and run multiple lock/unlock cycles to verify reliability. If the sensor fails, make sure the ribbon is fully seated and pins are straight, then check for a firmware mismatch. If necessary, apply the correct update or perform a factory reset. If problems persist,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.